Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Dano Crypto. So, you guys are probably wondering what the heck is happening with Bitcoin. Well, if you've been watching my live streams and watching this channel and have been dinging the bell to be notified when I release new crypto content, you guys would have been seeing this pattern play out where we saw Bitcoin was going to be trading down into this range, into these levels. Now, why did we have these levels marked? Well, it marked some key resistance and support levels. Now, this was previous support right here at 55,000 and also just a small one here at 53. We called the $53,000 level to be the bounce level. If you had been watching this channel, you guys would have gotten those levels. You would have seen these prices. You would have seen these and marked these and know that 53,000 is the level that we could have bounced above this level right here, which is the level that everyone in the market is thinking that price is going to go to. Now, why do I think that? Because everyone is saying that the price is going to go to 51,000, that it's not. Now I would normally bet that, okay, because the normal sentiment and the psychological number of the market going down here, that could be an obvious target. But the fact that everyone keeps saying it makes me think that, man, have you watched when people in crypto all start saying the same thing? And what happens? Well, the market likes to do the exact opposite. So I'm thinking that this could have been the wick bounce and the low at 53,700. Now, I want to put the bearish case scenario still in there that these are the lowest levels that we could possibly go. But if you look at the point of control, the point of control is actually on the daily sitting at 67,000 in the value area high. And so we think that taking this information, and we got to see how Bitcoin opens up in trading for today. If we can get a bounce, then we will be heading back up into some of these levels to try and test and break some of that resistance and go into support, at least right here, and going into 57,000. And then we start climbing back up into these ranges and we start getting back into these bullish prices to break all-time highs. But guys, we have a lot of things that are bearish in the market right now. We have Germany selling. We have MT Gox, Mount Gox is unloading now. They're starting to initiate transfers. Initiate and issue transfers. I think I just made a new word, initio. So it's just crazy, guys. So they are actually initiating these transfers of the Mt. Gox creditors, getting their money back, which it's not all in Bitcoin. You guys have to understand some of it is actually in cash. Some of it is Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin. There's another one. I can't remember exactly which one they're getting repayments in. But this is spurring some fear in the markets, and it's making the overall sentiment just straight fear. So, but what do we do in crypto? We buy the fear and we sell the greed. So we really got to watch these levels. Let's watch how these time frames are looking. If we're looking at the 45 minute here, let's look at the 45-minute time frame, and let's start looking at where the point of control is at the 45-minute. The point of control is actually sitting at 60,000. So we have volume. The MACD is seen across. We have a green dot printed on Market Cipher. We have a little bit more money flow. We got the money flow line crossed over and started to give a little bit more curvature. And now we could be seeing a flip reversal going into at least the Bollinger Band at 58,000 and then hitting a point of control at 60,000. So this is what I wanted to bring to you guys for the market update for today, going into today. So then you have both cases. You have the bull case scenario, you have the bearish case scenario, and I wanted to let you guys know if you're wanting to trade on this on these moves, then you can use BITFLEX. And also, if you are out of the United States, you can also use BYBIT. I have a BYBIT link in the description, and also no KYC, and also no VPN if you wanted to use PHEMEX. So I have all of those options in the description if you guys are wanting to trade on this volatility. Right now, we are actually trading on this volatility and these movements of the market. Because when altcoin and with Bitcoin going down, we have the altcoins going down substantially, which means that you can actually catch a really nice bottom on these altcoins and be able to actually make some moves and print some money, and also going from the upside to the downside. So we are doing that currently, and I suggest you guys start hopping on your trades. Make sure you guys are watching these levels, and man, I'm telling you, if Bitcoin was following the thesis of the trend line, guys, this trend line is drawn from the bottom at 16,000. We've crossed over the trend line. We've touched the trend line. We've hit under the trend line. We started touching it again, and the last time we bounced and hit that trend line right here at 43,000, we just started scouring up like a skyscraper, and we did have this kind of double top here, and now we hit the trend line again. I mean, we basically just hit almost just right on it, right on it. Now, you could say bearish case scenario as we get another red candle, and then we push right here to touch the trend line, actually touch it here below 53,000, and then we start to go off to the races, which would basically give our case of the giant weekly cup and handle pattern that could be breaking out with Bitcoin, and then we see in the next 5 months, Bitcoin being at over $100,000 per Bitcoin. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this market update, and I will see you guys on the live streams at 11:30 Eastern Standard Time and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and happy trading. Peace out.